So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So looking at the SGX first, so probably some sort of relief we got here. So it's a gap up opening of almost 100 points. Market's trading near 15,660, right? Okay. So it's almost like a 0.5% gap up opening. Now looking at the technical charts, if we see here, as we discussed earlier also, that यहाँ पर मार्केट आपको एक डाइवर्जेंस शो कर रहा है ऑसिलेटर एंड आरएसआई एंड प्राइस के बीच में. सो दिस लुक्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ bottoming out pattern. Okay, now if we see the technical charts, there are some reversal candles here and market is showing us some positive momentum from here. The only thing that we need to see is that we need to go in a smaller time frame and see it how market is likely to behave. Now for specifically intraday, we can see that the divergence is still here and market has shown up move from here and then small correction. So anyhow, if market break this line, that is if I just plot it line here, this, okay, so 15,720, if market breaks that on the higher side, okay, probably we can see the further upside move. Okay, so this is the main immediate resistance that we are looking at in the technical charts, and after that probably this gap might be filled. So 16,100, 16,000 or 16,200 level we can anticipate on the higher side. Okay, anyhow, now the support becomes 15,400, right? That is the support that we're looking for. Okay, so that is the view as of now. And if market breaks 15,400, then we can see that market might be slipping down. The only confidence that we are not getting is that the market is not showing any long build up here, because buying हो ही नहीं रहा है market पे, तो ये move पे confidence इसी वजह से नहीं आ रहा है, because यहाँ पे mostly you will see short and short covering का move हो रहा है, right? Okay, so that is the thing. Now this is the last expiry for the June, right? So if we see 15,500 पे काफी अच्छा put addition हुआ है, and that's the highest put also. So anyhow, this is working as a good support. On the higher side, 15,600 break karega to 700 and these levels can be easily achieved. On the higher side, we can anticipate a 16,000 level. That is where we have the highest fall. Okay, अभी market इसको break करता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा है. For example, for some time, because in technical chart also आपने देखा कि 16,000 के आसपास एक resistance है market में, तो यहाँ पर भी वही resistance same है. So that is why we are anticipating कि at least यहाँ तक market आ सकता है अगर 15,500 नहीं break करता है तो, right? Okay, technical charts पे थोड़ा सा view difference आ रहा है, तो anyhow 15,400 and 500 is a good support for the market. Okay, so that is a view for Nifty. Oh, okay, let's see the Bank Nifty also. Okay, same pattern happening in Bank Nifty also. So यहाँ पर भी divergence है. Okay, and the same thing. So anyhow market has to break this level, right? यहाँ से market अगर 33,650 ब्रेक करता है तो मार्केट यहाँ से ऊपर मूव कर सकता है. तो ऑलमोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड लेवल कुड बी द हायर वन, राइट? ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट प्लॉट. सो दिस वाज द 34,400 कुड बी द एंटिसिपेटेड लेवल ऑन द हायर साइड, राइट? और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो 32,500 कुड बी अ गुड सपोर्ट फॉर द मार्केट. 500 ही लेके चलेंगे, ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज वेयर वी कैन सी द सपोर्ट ऑफ द मार्केट. यहाँ पर भी हम देखें तो मूव में कॉन्फिडेंस बस इसी वजह से नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पर बाइंग नहीं आ रहा है. इट्स ऑल शॉर्ट एंड शॉर्ट कवरिंग हैपनिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. ओके, यहाँ से अगर बाइंग आना शुरू हो जाएगा तो माइट बी द बॉटमिंग आउट पैटर्न सीम्स टू बी ओके, बट नेगेटिव साइड में ब्रेक करेगा तो वी कैन सी द शॉर्ट कमिंग अप अगेन. दैट्स द थिंग. ओके, so 33,000 पे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक काफी अच्छा बिल्टअप हो रहा है दोनों में कॉल पुट पे. सो दीज आर द स्ट्रैटल्स इन मेकिंग प्रॉब्ली. And on the higher side, we can see this 33,500 and 34,000 is the level on the higher side. Okay, and lower side पे आपको 32,500 का एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा. So anyhow 33,000 is a good level. और जैसे टेक्निकल चार्ट्स में हमने देखा है यहाँ पर 32,500 के आसपास एक सपोर्ट है, तो this level also is with the same thing, right? Okay, so ये लेवल रहना चाहिए. ये ब्रेक होगा तभी मार्केट में फर्दर डाउनफॉल दिखेगा भी यहाँ से, राइट? okay. Now let's see. Okay, so we'll go to the contribution index contributor for yesterday. Okay. Okay. So positive contribution from IT, FMCG, auto, and private banks. Okay. Oil is the only sector which is mostly contributing on the negative side. Rest power is very, very marginal, right? Okay. Now let's go to the trap indicator again. If you want to see some stocks. Okay. So a lot of call writing happening. So I'll again go with Ashok Leyland. This stock seems to be good here. So call writing trap happened. That means a bullish trade in this. Looks like coming up. Okay. This Ashok Leyland. And see, if you see, mostly auto stocks are there. If you see this also, Eicher Motor is there. Maruti is there. Right. And if you see here, TVS Motor is there. Right. And this Hero MotoCorp is also there. So mostly out of like these stocks, out of 10, five are almost like, the auto stocks. So focus on auto stocks. This could be a sign that, they might be going up, right? Okay. So, and all are call writing traps. So they all are moving up, right? Okay. So we can go with these two stocks, specifically focusing on auto stocks, right? Okay. So Ashok Leyland and Maruti will go with this. Let's see what is happening in Ashok Leyland first. Okay, so this stock is good and is always in a mood. Looks like it's always in a positive side. So see, from since long, it is just only long and long unwinding happening in this stock. And yesterday also it's going to give us a buy signal, right? Okay, it's up. So if we see Ashok Leyland here, so yes, it's trading at the highest call option and it is already unwinding started. So probably 150 could be the next target on the higher side if it moves up, and 130 is the support for this because there's a good addition happening on the put side. काफी अच्छा एडिशन हुआ है पुट में, और ये 140 का जो कॉल ऑप्शन है हाईएस्ट है, इसमें अनबाइंडिंग हो रहा है, तो यहाँ से इसलिए मूव आना चाहिए इसके अंदर, और स्टॉक का स्ट्रक्चर लुक्स बुलिश, राइट? ओके, सो अशोक लेलैंड भी आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, so this on an hourly chart, it is already given a breakout. So any dip towards 138 could be good buying opportunity in this, right? Okay, so this looks good. Second, let's go with Maruti. Probably after a very long, we have seen a Maruti is coming in this. Okay, so yes, good levels of OI. OI काफी अच्छा level में increase हुआ है, and this breakout coming up in this, right? Good convincing stock. Let's see Maruti. Okay, so let's go with daily chart only. Okay, so that's good. After a good consolidation, it gave a breakout. Much more conviction. Okay, now if the stock take a dips towards even 8,000, that could be a good buying opportunity. 7750 could be a good support in this. So we can go with that thing. So this could be the first trade. Second, on the higher side, if that break 8,300, then again it will move up. So 8750 or 9,000 could be the expected level on the higher side. Yeah, okay. Now let's come to the OI and check it. What is happening in Maruti? Okay, so there's a lot of unwinding happened. So this 8,000 has totally wiped out almost, right? Almost 50%. And 8,300 is the level where we have seen a good addition happening. So if that breaks, so we can easily move up in this case. Okay. So now any dip towards, as I told you, any dip towards 8,000 could be good support. And then from there, the stock can move up again. So अगर dip आएगा तो 800 के आसपास, 8,000 के आसपास इसको खरीद सकते हैं, right? Okay. So that is where level we are looking. Okay. That is the thing. So Ashok Leyland and both Maruti looks positive, good breakout, and on Ashok Leyland it is bottoming out, and Maruti में काफी अच्छा breakout आया. And you see Eicher Motors and these all auto stocks are in good mood, and even M&M is there, right? So this could be a sign that market, these auto stocks are likely to move up right from here. So that's the thing. Okay, let's see the ban list now, and then we'll wrap up. Okay. So Delta Corp नया addition है, Sun TV is there. Okay. Indiabulls Housing Finance and National Bank. ये चार stock अभी ban में आपके trade हो रहे हैं, right? Okay. Fine. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.